Today is the day we've been waiting for 3 some odd years. That is Fly Rod Crosby, a very famous Maine lady. And Fly Rod is finally going home to Maine. She's going to be staying in Augusta at the Fish and Game Department, or Inland Fisheries and Wildlife Department headquarters.
So I got the hand kind of roughed in a little bit, and I know where everything's going to be. The handle of the fishing pole and the reel.
That's going to be a temporary housing, and then she'll be moving on to a museum from there. But pretty excited. Load her up, head her out. Rawhide. To make the face of somebody as a portrait takes a while.
Now sitting back again.
Off of the one cut here, get to the end, and I just angle it up a little bit.
There you go. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold it. Okay, yeah, beautiful. Let's get one in front with the roller we're getting. Okay.
And what I'm trying to do is build up like a collar, usually a little bulge right there, kind of supports the limb.
We need more racket straps.
Oh, we're doing the laces here. Am I talking? Is that right?
Yeah, so Jesse's moving the camera.
Pretty face show. People behind us here.
Looks like she's got a bandana on.
This is going to be pretty monumental going down the highway.
So you're not going to cover her?
No, because my thought is that the tarp will either chafe the paint or break a finger. Or...
Well, and she's facing backwards, so she's not going to get any bugs in her eyes.
Yeah, I know, and her mouth isn't open. So, 3 years I've been staring at her and fantasizing how this is all going to go down. And all I ever come up with is a sane approach. Open air, just like she is right now.
Oh, you silly. Yep, it's on the way back.